So find at least two irrational numbers between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3, two irrational numbers we have to find. How do you find them, Nana? How do you find? Suppose A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3. A is equals to 2 we have, and B is equals to 3. Okay. So here, right. So what is the property we have? See, in the previous case we have seen one property which I am going to see now. Look at here. Yeah. If A comma B are two rational numbers, positive rational numbers, such that AB is not a perfect square of a rational number, then root AB is an irrational number. Okay. Right. So as per that formula, as per this node, what we can write? So between two rational numbers, right, 2 and 3, A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3. So 2 into 3, which is 6, right? Okay. Root 6 is a rational number. Okay. As well, one more thing, Nana. See, otherwise we can simply write A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3. We need any 2, right? So for that 2, 2.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on. So on we can write. Okay. This number lies between this 2 and 3 only. Or else 2.2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, so on. We can write many numbers like that. Okay. Charan? Charan? Unmute Charan. Pranay?
Sir,
స్క్రీన్ కనబడలేదు నాన్న
folders చూపిస్తుంది.
నాన్న
Screen అనిపిస్తలేదు. Sir, it's showing only folders.
అవునా ఇస్ ఇట్ ఓకే నౌ షో మీ థమ్స్ అప్ నౌ ఇస్ ఇట్ ఓకే షో మీ థమ్స్ అప్ ఓకే రైట్ థ్యాంక్ యూ నాన్న ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ Right now. So between this, what is the question? 2 and 3. Between these 2 and 3, we have to find two rational numbers. So 2, 3 are rational numbers. 2, 3 are rational numbers. So I'm writing the rational numbers in the form of here. See, 2.12, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on. It is neither terminating nor repeating, right? So 2.22, 4, 5, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. This is also an irrational number between these 2 and 3. Okay, 2.1 something is nothing but lies between 2 and 3. 2.2 something is lies between 2 and 3 only, right? Did you get this, Nana? Okay, any doubts? No doubts. Okay, right. We'll see. Next one. Any doubts now? You can raise the hand. No doubts. Next, see that question number 9. Yes, no, no. Charan, can you see the screen? Show me thumbs up. Like this. Charan. Yeah, okay, thank you. Okay. State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. True or false, and we have to justify. Justify means we have to explain, give the explanation for that. Every irrational number is a real number. Is it true? Every irrational number is a real number. Is it true or false? Yeah, just wait. Sai Teja, is it true? Fast. Sai Teja, unmute. Is it true or false?
Sir,
True or false? Shivashankar.
false.
False. Okay. Yeah, Vaishnavi Reddy.
Sir, true.
True. Yes, Nana. Why it is true? Justify your answer. Why it is true, Nana? And Shivashankar, why it is false?
Sir, rational and irrational are real numbers.
Rational or irrational numbers are real numbers. Okay.
Only
Then
irrational is not.
what he is saying, every irrational number. Yeah, what is that? Vaishnavi, can you explain or can you give the justify your answer? Justification is not here, right? Anyway, okay, Nana, it's true, Nana. It is true. Because see, as I give you natural numbers and whole numbers and integers, then after these are rational numbers and these are irrational numbers. Okay, we make separate round for this, and these are all called irrational numbers. Okay, right? So see here, all the irrational numbers are real numbers because irrational numbers are in the part of real numbers, right? Okay, see, so it is true statement now. Okay, and coming to second one, every rational number is a real number. See the diagram. Look at this carefully, Nana. So these are a rational number, right? These rational numbers are comes under real numbers only. That is also true. Every rational number is a real number because all the rational numbers are in the part of real numbers, right? Okay, that's clear. And coming next one, every real number need not be a rational number. Is it true? What he is saying is every real number is need not be. Jagruti, sit properly. Look at here. Every real number means, yeah, all these real numbers need not be rational numbers. Yes, is it true? Is it true, Nana? Bhavani. అంటే అన్ని రియల్ నంబర్స్ రేషనల్ నంబరు కానవసరం లేదు అని చెప్తున్నాడు భవానీ. What is the answer? Sahasra, what is the answer?
True.
Yes, Nana? True. Right? Just wait. Okay, Nana, no problem. See, Just a minute. Yes, no, it's true only. Then why it is true? Can you give the explanation, Nana? Yes, Nana, why it is true? Sahasra, can you unmute? Can you unmute, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is that? Yes, okay. So real numbers are wider. I mean, in the real numbers, we have rationals and irrational numbers, right? Okay. If I say real number, they may be rational and they may be irrational. So all the real numbers are need not be. అంటే అన్ని రియల్ నంబర్స్ రేషనల్ నంబర్స్ కావచ్చు కాకపోవచ్చు అని చెప్పాడు వాడు. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ ట్రూ నన్ను. Coming to fourth one, root n is not irrational if n is a perfect square. Root n is not irrational if n is a perfect square. Is it true? Yes, we have discussed already. That is also true. Okay, that is a property, right? Direct property he asks. And fifth one, root n is irrational if n is not a perfect square. Both are same. Yeah, yes, no, very sorry. Look at the fourth one. Root n is not irrational if n is not a perfect square. That is false, Nana. It's saying that not. I just focus on fifth problem. Root n is irrational if not irrational if n is a perfect square. Okay, just wait. Oh, getting confusing between the question. Okay, very sorry. Yeah, root n is not a irrational if n is perfect square, right? So that is a true, Nana. Yes, okay. Suppose if it is a perfect square, that is a rational number, right? Very sorry, Nana. I got confused between the questions. 16 we get 4, right? Okay, so root 4 is equals to 2, it's a rational. Root 9 is equals to 3, it's a rational. Root 16 is equals to 4, it's a rational, right? Okay, clear? Right. And okay, that's true, obviously. And number 5, root n is irrational if n is not a perfect square. That is also true, because see, root 5, it's not a perfect, 5 is not a perfect square, right? Root 6, root 8, root 12, so on. So these are all not perfect squares, right? So they are irrational numbers. Number 6, all real numbers are irrational numbers. All real numbers are irrational. So what he is saying, look at the diagram, Nana. Just look at the diagram, please. So if you observe this diagram here, all the real numbers, these are the real numbers, right? Real numbers are rational numbers, he is saying. Is it true? Yes, no, is it true? No, because real numbers, it is bigger than the irrational numbers, right? So real in the irrational numbers are in the part of real numbers. Irrational numbers are in the part of real numbers. So it is a false, right? Yes, any doubts in this 9th bit? You can raise the hand, no problem. I'll give you one more time explanation. Yes, none. Start your videos, all of you. Gunasai, Shravan, Niharika, Nika, I think Nikasa. Vikas Patel. Shivashankar. Right, okay. Okay, now this is about exercise 1.2. We shall get into the next exercise, and before going to that, we shall see some more interesting concepts. Yeah, can you see the screen, Nana? Just Nana, once go through the activity, constructing the square root spiral. Square root spiral, Nana, just once, please go through this activity. Look at the activity once. Take a large sheet of paper, and construct the square root spiral on the following manner. Start step 1. Start with point O and draw a line segment of OP 1 unit length. So once refer that activity, Nana. We shall. I will give you the live activity tomorrow. You have to make this in your class tomorrow. ఓకే నాన్న, ఇది మనం ఒకసారి రేపు క్లాస్లో చేద్దాము. దీన్ని మీరు స్క్వేర్ రూట్ స్పైరల్ అంటారు. దీన్ని స్క్వేర్ రూట్ స్పైరల్. దీన్ని మీరు బుక్లో చేయొచ్చు నాన్న. అంటే మనం ఇంతకుముందు డ్రా చేసాం కదా, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద టాపిక్ √2, √3 మనం నంబర్ లైన్ పైన డ్రా చేసాం కదా, సేమ్ అలాంటిదే ఇక్కడ ఒకసారి దీన్ని మీ బుక్లో డ్రా చేయండి. అలా డ్రా చేస్తే మీకు ఒకసారి కంప్లీట్గా ఇది ఇట్లా వస్తుంది నాన్న. ఇది ఇలా వస్తుంది మొత్తం, ఒక 1 రౌండ్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? ఒకసారి మీరు యాక్టివిటీ చూడండి, మనం రేపు డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం దీని గురించి. ఓకే, రేపు డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం దాని గురించి. ఒకసారి రిఫర్ చేయండి, జస్ట్ రిఫర్ చేయండి అంతే. దీన్ని మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి క్లియర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకొని మనం క్లాస్లో ప్రజెంట్ చేద్దాం దీన్ని. యా, నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ representing the real numbers on the number line through successive magnification. What is mean by successive magnification? What is mean by magnification, Nana? Magnification. Right, see, what is this? This is a magnifier, right? Sharanya, what happened, Nana? You raised your hand. See, this is a magnifier, right? What we do with magnifier, Nana? What we do with magnifier? We see the bacteria and the very small tiny particles. We look into the we look through the magnifier, right? So that magnifier makes the numbers make the things bigger in looking appearance, right? So the same thing it done here also. See, on the number line, if you take a number line, yeah, this is a number line. You have many numbers on this number line, right? Suppose here you can see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So if you put a magnifier on them, what we get? Yeah, see, 2 and 3 here. Between 2 and 3 we have 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9. Okay, this is very important, Nana. Concept is very important, very interesting also. See, between 2 and 3 we have 10 more numbers here, right? Okay, and next see, so likewise, if you observe here, between 2 and 3 we have this 2.1 to 2.9. Even if you put magnifier and 2.7 and 2.8, again you are choosing 2.7 and 2.8. Here is 2.7 and 2.8. Between these 2.7 and 2.8 also we have 2.71, 2.72, 2.73, 2.74, 2.75, 2.76, 2.77, 2.78, 2.79. Between 2.7 and 2.8 you have these numbers. Even if you choose this 2.7 and 2.8, between them also we have many numbers, Nana. See, Yeah, look at it here. Can you see the screen, Nana? Yeah, okay. So here, if you choose this 2.77 and 2.78, yeah, look at them here. Between 2.77 and 2.78, you have 2.71, 771, 2.772, 2.773, 2.774, 2.775, 2.776, 2.777, 2.778, 2.779. Okay, right? All these numbers are lies between this 2.7 and 2.77 and 2.78, right? Even if you take this 2 any two, if you take any two, no, suppose if I'm taking this 2.772 and 2.773. So if I want to write this between these two number, we can write many numbers now. See, 2.7721, 2.7723, 22, 2.7723, 2.7724, 2.7725, 2.7726, 2.7727, 2.7728. Okay. Next, 2.7729, then 2.773. 2.29 after 3 will come, Nana. Okay, clear? Yeah. Between these two numbers, we have we can write this many numbers. Okay, this is called magnification. Okay, with magnifier we can find many tiny particles. We can observe that, so that as well we are magnifying the numbers here. Okay, right? Okay, we'll discuss about remaining in the next class, Nana. Already it's 7:35. We shall stop here. Once again I'm repeating, Nana. On Saturday I must correct your notes, not only maths, all subjects you should complete. Okay, right? Okay, Nana, have a nice day. We'll meet you tomorrow. Any doubts, Nana? If any doubts, please you can. Yeah, I think some of you people simply observing but not writing anything. Mangadevi, why you're laughing?
Nothing, sir.
Huh?
ఇందాక కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయింది గుర్తొచ్చి నవ్వొచ్చింది.
కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయింది గుర్తొచ్చి నవ్వొచ్చిందా? ఓకే, ఏం చేద్దాం, అక్కడ నేను నాట్ చూడలేదు మరి. ఎనీవే నాన్న, ఓకే రైట్. I'm going to stop this meeting, Nana. Bye, I love you. Nice talking to you. Bye, Nana.